So, don't have long before I thought it was about 8 degrees. Turns out it's actually about 0. So this camera is not going to last long. Finishing up my morning hike. Very enjoyable. Be in nature any way you can. I want to start off by saying I love you all. Take time to be outside in nature. Enjoy what you have. Say thank you for your blessings. I've lost most of mine recently. And when you lose them, it makes you all the more appreciative of what you have. Remember, every single one of your actions, every single one of your thoughts all day long, it rings through eternity. So when you make your decisions, be proud of them. Mistakes happen, but there's usually a reason those mistakes happen. So, I'm just going to walk out of this little path here. I love you all. Act accordingly. Master discernment and discipline. Live with no fear. And be ready for anything and everything at every moment. Having said that, I'm going to walk out in quiet. Because at any moment, we might lose signal, or not signal, power. Every time the sun hits my skin, it feels like a supercharge. Yeah, it's really not too bad until the wind blows. As hard as the wind blows, it cannot move the mountain. Am I the only one that despises snowmobiles? I don't know. Moving too fast to enjoy what's in front of your face. That's probably why they're all overweight. Let's go home, buddy. You ready? Yeah. I love it. Peace and love to you all. Be proud of your decisions.